edition.
Restart.
What up, SBF gang, kids edition,
And we're back. So today we are making
glitter slime.
So the ingredients are
Contact solution, glue, and shaving cream.
and then we have our bowls and forks. So
Hold on.
y'all ready? Let's get into the video.
Okay,
So first you're gonna take our glue. This is mine.
this is mine. My favorite color is red.
So I'm gonna open this. So easy, y'all. So easy.
I can't open it. They put it too tight.
No, they didn't.
God dang.
Oh, got it.
Okay,
so here comes my favorite part. So
we're gonna pour the glue.
3,
2, 1.
1.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh.
It's gonna take forever to get out. But y'all, it's so pretty. What the world?
Look at that. I'm about to make it work.
Y'all, mine is so pretty. I wish you could stay the same way.
Look at
but
mine.
Since we're gonna
Look
add,
at mine, Maia.
oh my god, this is pretty. But since we're gonna add a shaving cream,
It's gonna,
probably gonna get lighter.
mine's gonna look like purple, I think.
No, it's gonna get lighter. So it's probably gonna turn pink. Y'all, this is so pretty. Girl.
I'm farted. Guys, see that? Oh, Daddy's here. I'm just kidding. He's not.
We gonna put our sauce back on because we did it. But as y'all know, if y'all know what happens to glitter glue, it looks lumpy, so we just gonna mix it up. We just gotta mix this in so we could get our color and our glitters the same.
Oh my gosh.
Consistency. Look at mine.
Wait. Oh my gosh. Maia, watch the light. Look.
So y'all, this might be like a clear, mine might be like a clear blue.
Mine be like, oh my gosh, I can see. Smell it.
It don't really smell like anything.
Yeah, it smells like visible. I mean air.
You can't really smell it. It don't smell like anything. It's just smell like regular.
I never make slime before.
Yes, you have. Because they watch you to make slime. So now we're about to add shaving cream. We're gonna take off the top. So when I first tried this, I was like, it's not going on.
I'm still mixing it. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh, you made it, man.
No, I didn't. Don't put a lot.
That's enough?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You made it. It's gonna make our slime bigger, but it's going to get prettier, so. My slime is like so it's just shaving cream now. What the? I'm just kidding, y'all. It's still slime.
Mine's tiny pink.
Mine's light blue. It's so pretty. This is why I picked blue.
I wish it had
like,
golden, like gold.
Because they would have gold, but it was all out. I picked blue because I like any kind of blue, but apparently I like this kind of blue, even though you could barely see it.
He's alone. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna make a mess.
Just mix it up. So y'all, I'm almost done.
I'm not.
Because Hazel's not really the slime expert.
Yeah,
I'm just slime expert.
Yeah, I don't like making slime that much.
Yo, we should have bought. I was going to ask my uncle to buy more glue because they had blue glue, they had red glue, they
have glow in the dark. They have glow in the dark.
I mean, what's it called? Glitter.
And they got glow in the dark.
Okay, now we just gotta do a little bit at a time.
Oh my gosh, y'all,
mine is not activated because it's so thick and stuff. See, that has some baking soda to it.
No.
I don't know.
I can't touch that.
I don't know what this is.
Can I touch that?
No. I don't know if this is actually gonna work.
You need to eat that.
So I'm just like, if it don't work, we taking back these glues. we don't take them back empty.
Yeah, do that.
Walk away.
More. Guys, I hope this works.
Yay! It's working.
Yay. Guys, it's
Kinda.
working. Mine's better.
Okay. Oh no, why would I touch it? I'm so stupid.
Let's see.
Yes, it's starting to form.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
This girl is going to end up over at the beginning.
Yep, I told you. See?
It's working?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, it's starting to work, y'all. Like, we need a baking soda, and that's pretty much it. We should have bought more. Because you can order it after the
Guys, I'm trying to. Guys, that's rich.
Yeah, it's baking soda. Look
I
at
was like, come on.
it's pretty, y'all.
I'm so mad I can't touch borax.
Nobody can touch borax. You gotta use a glove or a spoon. Well, you always gotta use a glove and a spoon.
Ooh. Guys, mine is turning well. I put a lot of.
You can go with your hands. Just like I did. You gotta do the whole thing so the whole thing can happen.
Maia, look at my spoon though.
I cleaned it by a spoon, kind of. Y'all, it's so pretty. I love this song so much. Y'all, this about to be my first song.
Guys, look at my hands.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Guys, my hands are torn.
Up.
Let me sit this down. Like, can't take it. Ah. Oh
This is me mixing. Enjoy the view. Okay, y'all, my slime is done. You ready? You want me to help you?
No.
Okay.
This is.
Say hey.
Say hey. Say hey, SPF. Okay, let me take that. Okay.
Okay, y'all, just to end of the video, make sure you
like,
comment,
and
subscribe to our channel. SBF, gang, 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 and we're out.
He got his little eyes on. He ain't even crying on me. Now he is.